Let's meet the starters for the Akari Chargers, of course led by Ivy Lacsina. You will also see Chenny Tagaod make her debut here with Tin Tiamzon and Erica Santos, their new additions to this revitalized lineup, of course led by their star setter Angel Cayuna. And Jana Ejido at the sidelines. Welcome back, Neil. And first things first.
Eddie Soyud on the right side.
First pass to Tiamzon. Shoots it. Try to get that conditioning, that flow back inside the Taraflex. In the meantime, Ivy Lacsina. That's inside.
Died. Now, Jaime and Neil, she's been a free agent since last year. And over that period, lagi nang nangungumusta yung Signal coaches sa kanya about playing pro once again.
Cayuna, a setup to Erica Santos. That opposite spiker.
Wearing a different shade of red this time. That's officially her second point as a Signal HD spiker.
But you just know there's that continuity between Tagaod and Coach T. Meanwhile, Lalong Isip, set back. Cayuna says, try again. Lacsina with a coverage. Tagaod will attempt. Tiamzon covers to the slide. And is there a check? Yes, there was for Jackie Acuna.
Of Ateneo right there. Vince Mangulabnan.
That's a stacked coaching staff. And like you said, Neil, you just know Ellie Soyud's confidence is at its peak. Lacsina. Dorandes keeps it alive, but Lacsina was there with a put down. Tagaod misreceived. Chance ball signal. Cayuna the set. Erica Santos. Cayuna, multiple free balls. A setter of that caliber.
At this point, she's just flexing her ball control.
Lacsina sending it to the back. Santos. Cal with a put up. Soyud got the check. Got a 30-point game, Neil. Question is, what's next for Ellie Soyud? Like you said, that's been the go-to play. Kneeling set for Tiamzon. Points right at Cayuna. Cayuna will go opposite for Erica. Lacsina covers the net. Erica reloads. Cal was there. Ravenna will give a high ball. Cayuna loves these. But Soltones was there for the coverage. Soyud will counter and puts it away.
That was the correct set for Cal. Every time you have Ellie.
Live here in the Chavit Coliseum, the newly opened Coliseum in Vigan City. Ravenna will play secondary setter. Lacsina's cross-court hit. How are you liking that chemistry so far with both Tiamzon and Erica Santos? This is the first time we are seeing this.
Sa mga gagaling na setter kagaya ni Jel Cayuna, kahit sino ipasok mo, makukuha din niya yung preferred sets nila. Like that. That's another point for Erica Santos.
Exhibit A for Erica Santos. The toss to Ishi.
Akari also wants to set up their middles. They really have to improve on their passing because it has been erratic.
Soltones has led the charge after a slow start. A 4-0 run for Akari. And ending that run. Slide, Domingo. Domingo slowly finding her groove. Sharp serve. No coverage there. This is not the first time we saw Cal be a starting setter. Tiamzon, triple block. Unfazed is Tin Tiamzon.
Automatic. She will have 4 options on the floor.
And now a lot of options with a full front line. Lacsina's cross won't work. Tiamzon. Oh! There's that instinct you were talking about.
Yun naman ang hindi mawawala sa isang Tin Tiamzon. The volleyball IQ is still there. Didn't get
fans na sumusuporta sa PBL, and yon, sobrang salamat po sa mga fans na dito sa Ilocos.
And finally, my day 2 pa bukas. I'm sure na meron pang mga things na gusto nyo.
Cayuna looking to put an end, not just yet. Soltones, drop ball. Cayuna was ready. Pangilinan, welcome to the PBL.
As an opposite spiker. And well, we were raving also about that opposite spiker duo sharing that duty with Erica Santos, and it is as good as advertised.
Tiamzon has stabilized that first ball. Tied at 4. Cal, the toss for Ivy. Still no good. Santos. That set was slow for Ced Domingo.
Can also put Eli Soyud as a primary option from the back row.
Tiamzon elevates and scores. Yun yung pasalubong namin. Block touch. Parang meron si left hand. It's that next conference as they still look for their first championship. A lot of heartbreaks already for Signal. Stabilized reception leads to the Soltones will serve. Tiamzon. Oh, Tin Tiamzon with some magic.